Powerful performance, brilliant white light. Always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. Headlights dim over time. Up to 60% more vision, for a safer drive. Headlights that enhance the style of your vehicle while offering improved performance compared to standard bulbs. Compliant. Fit type. Vehicle-specific fit. Philips CrystalVision Platinum Upgrade headlight bulbs deliver a sharp, irresistible look. Ultra-white gradient coating that creates up to 4000 K brilliant white light, and produces up to 60% more vision compared to standard halogen bulb. The perfect choice for those who want to drive with style, without compromising on safety. Top reviews from the United States. Nice clear bulb. Although they may not appear as clear or white as some may consider, these bulbs are clear and better than the Ohm ones, Kia Niro replacement.